Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
God, I don't know.
With a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. Like I said, we're heading to Portland today, and I'll be recording everything. So, oh my God, look at that cloud, guys.
How would I spot that you have to check?
I hope so it not rain on Portland side.
Alright, cool.
Because I want to go to the beach.
This an illusion, unstoppable with the tools on.
Make sure you play this. Hear me tell you? Chad did not spend no money. Yeah.
Doing the work. You're not up on the camera. Doing. Come now.
Trending here. Hot. Hot.
Come now.
Come down.
Oh my god. Doing.
Me know. Mali got different money.
Fuck you up. I made this some work, yeah, guys.
If you're smart, pull them there.
Hold on, how am I supposed to do this again? Shit.
This? Make it worse.
No, hold on. Hold this.
Think now? Just think.
Hold this
Look
now.
panic. You know somebody never show me? See me going expert in using them.
I don't want here first.
I know. Nah, kill
Oh,
them.
it's
Some I know they may have pull them. They drop on you and kill them.
Chad, no, help me.
Alright, yes. Yeah, you did. Watch out. Yeah, I'm ready to finish that video. Watch it now. Watch you eat that now. It's a 1-2 step in now. Watch you eat that.
Hold on.
1,
Then
2. Watch it.
it was one of these.
You dead. I say if you're ever gonna kill yourself, you know.
How you do it again?
You do it already?
Do it already. Just take it off.
You couldn't get a gun, you know? Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, my shock your waist.
How you do this?
Just take down this one.
Sorry, come on. Hold it.
Sorry, just
Come, camera. Use the camera, use the camera. Come, take your camera. Take your camera and come back out.
Move. See, I know that there was more.
Well, I know, yeah.
That's it.
Relax.
And then this one?
Use the degree and pull on.
Oh, don't nipple already? No. There. That's it?
Continue, please. Pass the
You have to
camera.
release it completely.
Pass the camera.
I don't have a problem with this camera, you
So I
know.
never tell her for all.
Camera.
That's it?
Molly!
All the way.
It is.
And then pull the card.
Oh.
Nah. Yeah. Take it off now. Take off the hook now. Take off the hook.
You think I hang yourself?
Yeah, move the card down. Move the card down now.
When I just don't know how to talk to me.
Alright, come. Come no man. Come no man. Check out the board. Check out the board. She can't push it out, so I'm not gonna. Up more, up more, up more. Yeah, spin it over. Spin it over. Yeah, yeah. Alright, jump in back. Jump in back. Jump in back, don't worry about that part. Alright, yeah, roll it from the top. Pull to you. Yeah, and side to side. No. Yeah.
25,000.
Alright, put it down now, put it down now, put it down now. Go in front, go in front, go in front.
You think I win my glasses so I put plastic in her?
Yeah, you can just push it out, catch line.
Oh, you can't put no plastic for
Shut up, no Chad. You know, there's no time for you.
Can I show you? Come, stop now, stop now. Come now, no, man. Come now, no.
Yeah, come on.
Yo.
Oh, we are recording now.
No. Wait, don't do it by yourself. You're too short. Come. Come, no, man.
Mali, come take what you buy na
Con at work. What's that? I'm not gonna take my cousin for no labor, you know.
No.
You must say acre
Baby name, you just
name everything.
Just a
With the muff down below the head and the can. Yeah, because it's a 10 grand fee. So if say, yo, 8 grand, you know. Just come back and say, hey, most of them go in that
Yeah. It would be easier to roll it up that than to. So people not have no sense in them.
like, you know, say, she not telling you right?
Guys, I was thinking about it now. Yeah, because it would just be easier and it seemed like there's something that mash up the side of the steps. I'm hungry now. I'm thirsty bad. You have juice? Water? Guys, go back and watch my video from like 3 years ago when I was trying on clothes upstairs. I remember that video? Yeah. Mega, put it in here so someone can go watch it. I know why them a call my name, look at me, don't work. Alright, I know I can't see one, but sorry guys. You know I threw this slippery. There we go. Alright, I know I can't. Oh my goodness. Why the table stay so? So why the table is so slippery? Guys, hold on. There we go.
Yo, Daddy.
Welcome. She said she had to open the door.
No, they said I'll call you. That's it, that makes sense. Let's go.
So tell me that if I wasn't here, then what?
Oh, you know, she never wants to see you go.
Welcome. The one could just know hundreds.
Mayo, just got camera.
Go upstairs and see my Gotcha. You make it just in time.
Boy,
Rain dropped down from Dwayne, guys. Alright, come on. Mom, go get something for drink now. That what I'm doing now? Yeah.
When she
I brought that
how do I get the fee? I must say, Molly, send it to Molly. I'm going to feel you.
Ivan, lock up.
You
keep in there.
She asked me how to get the fee. Send it to me. I said, no, send it to Molly.
I called afterwards. She was like, oh, I sent it to you.
Tell me which afterwards. Which afterwards?
You know, it's like Guinea. Free, yeah.
Oh, right.
I get it, I always make it, yeah, man.
You miss always hear people about them jump off a black country. It's like,
Guinea.
I'm going through this.
Okay, I keep that smart.
Still can't feel the Japanese.
Come on, let me do it. I'm shaking chatting. Where you go?
So make this.
People should just buck out to and nearly dead. Oh, I like
And I'll cook. Everyone in the kitchen.
check your door and see if you do it alright.
Okay, yes, I'll do that here, so. I'll cook down here.
Malik, what you cook for you down here? Show me.
Even brought two. That's fine. I thought you were bringing one in.
And then see the other something.
She'll rob you, you know.
I don't know if she got like this now. But she said she want lotion and perfume.
I don't need to look at it. Go upstairs. You brought it back.
Message your friend.
Yeah, no, one to carry a market.
Hmm?
Market by that, yeah.
What's the ear set?
It was J. Crew, okay?
Market, me use that carry.
The same thing, huh?
But J. Crew.
Yes. This has been in the summer.
Say buy one new one and I sell it back.
No, it's not. This is mine for years.
People look on this faded. New one.
And you watch
It shows that years they have it still.
How much was it? How much you cost?
How much should I buy this at there? It will lie. Now look it up.
I don't even pay for them.
Ah, I'm marking me that use this go that moment. Look on this. This deserves to be a market bag. Look on the people. I just reality. I like carry some engine parts. Yeah, money is when I sell my parts and the engine here. People ask her, comment and say if this will be used for a market bag or for carry parts. I never take you something and show some engines. Grease it up. Yo.
So Malik, what's it like in Portland?
What's it like?
Yeah.
It's like living anywhere else.
What's an enjoyable day in Portland like?
To be entertained is relative, you know?
Don't understand.
To each his own. But I might find entertaining somebody else might not.
Right. Tell her about you.
About me.
Tell
Do I
her.
really have to do all of these too? These look like crap.
Look a gamer girl.
Okay, and?
Alright guys, we're leaving Portland. I didn't want to show no view, but I'm gonna go back upstairs. Dwayne I come too. So Dwayne broke up slippers here. This is my good things then. Broke up slippers, man. Hold on guys. Oh, there's no view here. The view I'm gonna show you the view from oh, this is a view. Mega zoom in. The better view is over here though. You can see the cave, not the cave, the cove and everything. But it would be from the 3rd floor. We've been here probably about an hour. Mega zoom in and show now. Alright guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. It was just really a drive video. We didn't end up going to the beach, but if we go to the beach later tonight, then I'll record that. Maybe I won't go to the beach. I have beach clothes in my bag. I have beach stuff in my bag. Yeah. What you doing, a bruv? You see my phone? Alright. You couldn't do that.
Alright. Go on video, go on video.
You couldn't do that. Guys, hold on. I'm gone. Watch him. Him gone, guys. Him really gone. Alright, thanks guys for watching.